what's in my bag. And this bag, I've gotten this from Teddy Blake, and it's made in Italy. Has the smell of real leather, and it's a luxury handbag that is relatively more affordable as compared to other luxury handbags. And I've been using this brand for a couple of years now. I also have a luggage that is Teddy Blake. After using it for a couple of times, it is still super long lasting, and then it's good as new. Because you know sometimes how airports, they tend to throw your luggage. I'll put the link down in the description below so you can check it out. Okay, so let's get into what's inside. So normally these are what I will bring for shopping. Okay, and the first thing is this is very important because Singapore is so hot all the time, most of the time. So sunglasses. Okay, I don't know whether it fits me or not. Okay, when I'm waiting for my friend in a coffee shop, because a lot of times she's always late. Sometimes I'm waiting for my transport, or when I'm in the car, there's a traffic jam, then I'll take out a book to read. Very important to make the most out of every second of your life. And this book that I'm reading right now is what they don't teach you about money, which is what they don't teach you in school too. Next thing, small little water bottle, just in case I get dehydrated. But most of the time I'll go out and buy bubble tea, then I would stop drinking water, which is a super bad habit. Okay, next thing, I'm just picking up random stuff. Okay, so this is Hello Kitty mirror. Okay, then next thing, this is absolutely needed. Okay, my wallet. So this is a Hello Kitty wallet. And then there's a lucky charm. Okay, lucky charm. Then inside I put all the money and cards and all that stuff, and then identity card, all that things that you need. Okay, and then this pouch, purple pouch. I know a lot of you like purple. Inside I also put all the cards. Okay, my Watson's card, then my library card, because I borrow books a lot. And this my university alumni card, Nanyang Technological University alumni card, and then I don't use it at all. Then this one is a Starbucks card. This I think my flower gave this to me as a present, and I bought this pouch in Turkey, so it's very valuable to me. What's this? Oh, this is my card for my residential area, because when I need to come home, I will need to use this card to open the gate, the front gate, no, the side gate. Okay, both front and side gate. Okay, next thing, this is my keys. When you open it, you can store many different keys inside. Okay, and then it's a Hello Kitty pouch kind of thing. Then you can also put your card here, but I didn't put anything here. Okay, so you have one side which I took everything out. Okay, you can store a lot of things, even though it looks small, but then you can store so many things. So inside I put, okay, this one is not sponsored. Okay, it's thermal spring water. So let's say if you have dry skin like me, because I swim every single day. Okay, when you're on a plane, you feel like your skin is very dry. Instead of a moisturizer, you can just, and then it's very refreshing. Okay, it's not sponsored. Okay, then the next thing is this perfume. Actually, this shop in Singapore, Sentosa Singapore, gave it to me, and I actually custom made this perfume, so it smells really good. And I need a perfume because just in case, you know, I need to refresh a little bit, then I'll spray this perfume. Then, okay, this started since pandemic. Like before pandemic, I don't really bring a hand sanitizer, but after pandemic, I just have to sanitize my hands almost every few hours. I don't know why, but I just have to, because COVID is still here though. This one is like a, it's not really a lipstick, it's like a lip gloss. Even though it's transparent, but then the more you apply it, the redder it becomes. Okay, so it gives your lips a very natural look. Okay, so this one, I really like this. My mom also liked this a lot, and then she recommended to all her friends. Then it's like a chain of recommendations. Okay, then this one is my sunblock. Oh, there's a super random pen inside. I don't put it in a pencil case, I just throw it inside, so that's easier for me to take it out. It's my Melody pen. I should put all this stuff in a pouch, but then I feel like it's just more convenient to just put it inside. My Melody hair clip, you see, if I tap on it, wait, see? It gives a colorful light. And then you can just clip on it like this. Next thing, tissue, just in case, the My Melody tissue. Sometimes I try to avoid buying My Melody tissue because when it's too cute, it's hard to use it, you know. Then the next thing is this hair clip. I really like this hair clip a lot because it says Barbie. And I don't know why it's so expensive, you know. I bought this in Malaysia. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. Mint. Just to ensure I have fresh breath when I'm talking to people. One last thing, okay? Now this is really sad. This is my wireless. Only left with one because when I was running a marathon last month, I just used a towel to wipe my face, then the right one dropped out, and then I couldn't find it anymore because it's night time. You gotta be careful when you go out for a run. Okay, so tell me what's your favorite item in this bag. And with that, yeah, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.